Hi there! In this video, I'll give you a quick guide on how you can add a Namecheap website to Cloudflare. So please listen carefully to each step that I will be explaining because I will describe everything clearly so you can follow along even if your screen looks different. So before starting, make sure that you have the correct version or the plan that supports this feature so you will have full access to everything you need. So once you're on your Cloudflare, what you will have to do is, of course, log into your account, and then once you log in, you will click add a site. Then you will enter your Namecheap domain, and then you will click your you will basically just have to click add site again, and then you will choose your plan. And then Cloudflare will scan your existing DNS records, and then you will click continue. Copy the Cloudflare name servers, and then you will log into your Namecheap account. And once you log in, you will just have to go to your domain list, which is on the account section. So click domain list and then just wait for it to load. And by the way, you should already have your domains ready, or you should make sure that you really have your domains. And once you see your domain, what you will have to do is you will click manage name servers, or it should be somewhere right here. And then after that, you will click manage, and then you will see name servers, and then just click that. And then you will select custom DNS and paste the Cloudflare name servers, and then you will click save. And then after all that, you will just have to wait for the propagation, and it could take up to 24 hours. So yeah, and you will just have to check in your Cloudflare, and the status should be active. And that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I really hope it did help. And if it did, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you, and have an awesome day.